Uttarakhand is a state of northern India crossed by the Himalayas. It's an attractive tourist destination for travelers. Uttarakhand is 86% covered with mountains. Most of the northern part is covered by Himalayan peaks. In the Uttarakhand, Nainital lies in Kumaon division. In this video, I will be guiding you with 7-night 8 days tour plan for Nainital, Kaushani and Munshiari. You can reach Nainital by train and air both from any part of the country. By train, you have to get down at Kathgodam railway station. By air, you have to get down at Delhi or Patnagar airport. Book a cab from the railway station or airport to reach Nainital by road. Cab fare from Kathgodam to Nainital is 1000 to 1200 rupees. Cab fare from Delhi airport to Nainital is 3000 to 3500 rupees. And from Patnagar to Nainital it would be 1800 to 2000 rupees. So day 1 journey starts for Nainital. Nainital is called the Lake City of India. It's among most visited hill stations of North India. Nainital perched at an elevation of 2084 meters above sea level. The glittering city of Nainital is hailed for being a parent of ravishing Naini Lake. You will reach Nainital within 3 p.m. Check into your hotel, take some rest, and in the evening you can roam around the Nainital market and indulge yourself in shopping if you want. Day 2, you can book a cab for sightseeing which will cost around 1500 to 2000 rupees. Early morning start with Naina Devi temple located at hilltop of Naina Hill Rock. It's famous for Shakti Peeth of Hindu religion. The temple remains open from 6 am to 10 pm. Next go to Nainital Lake. It's one of the most beautiful lakes in the country. It's also known as Naini Lake. Naini Lake is known for its beauty. The lake is surrounded with green hills. The lake is a kidney-shaped lake. The lake is bounded by the high and steep Naini Peak on the northwest side. Your visit to Nainital Lake will be incomplete if you do not try the famous boat rides. Price for boating is 150 rupees per head. After this, you can also visit a waterfalls nearby the Naini Lake. Next, move ahead to Tiffin Top. Tiffin Top is a place where you can enjoy the spectacular scenery of Nainital. It's also called the Dorothy's Seat. If you love hiking, the Tiffin Top makes for an exemplary 4-kilometer ride from main city where you can go by foot or horse riding. Cost for horse riding can be between 500 to 700 rupees. Next, you can go to Nainital Ropeway, a 3-minute ride over the spellbinding landscape of Nainital. It will take you from Malital near Mall Road to Snow View Point. Price for this cable car is 300 rupees for adult and 200 rupees for children under 3 to 12 years of age for both way. Next, visit the Snow View Point. From the top of the viewpoint, you can have a full view of the city which looks just marvelous. Next, you can go to Naini Peak. It's known for its breathtaking bird's eye perspective of the town and the Himalayas. Nanda Devi Peak is also visible from here. It's one of the best places for photography session. Then move ahead to Bhimtal Lake. It's also a famous lake located in the town. It's the largest lake of Kumaon. It's a bit far from the Nainital city. Then you can go to Shattal Lake. The name says it's a body of 7 freshwater lakes. It's nearby the Bhimtal Lake. The lake is surrounded by pine and oak trees. Then you can go to Khurpatal Lake. It's a great spot for fishing activity. The lake is famous for emerald blue-green water. Then you can visit Eco Cave Garden. The park comprises of 7 caves which are reached through a narrow and winding road with amazing view. Opening hours is 9 am to 6 pm and entry fee is 20 for adult, 10 rupees for children and 25 rupees for camera. This is how your day 2 trip will end, with the sightseeing, then overnight stay at the hotel. I have mentioned few good hotels and resorts for night stay at Nainital in the description box. Next day you have to start for Kaushani. Part 2 for Kaushani trip is coming in the next video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.